Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Dominus Orbis, and today I'm going to be installing an FTP server on Ubuntu Server 16.04 using a virtual machine on Oracle VirtualBox. And I'm going to be using the very secure FTP daemon, which supports IPv6 and secure socket layer. I'm going to be demonstrating the get and put commands with 3 different types of files, transfer them, upload and download them from a virtual machine to the server, and from the server to a physical machine. So I'm going to be using a few things here. I'm on my Ubuntu server. I'm going to use a visual editor, create a text file, which I've already created. And you can use the I for insert to insert text. When you're done, hit escape, :W for write, Q for quit, and that writes the memo. There it is. I'm in the root directory. Now we're going to go ahead and install that using the sudo apt get install very secure FTP. It's already installed, so it tells me nothing to install. That's fine. Next, we're going to go ahead and change directory and go to the etc. And that's where we're going to create a backup copy of the configuration file for the FTP server software, because we're going to be modifying that. We want to have an original just in case something doesn't work properly. So we're also going to do the root user, and we're going to be use a visual editor. No, need to make a copy first using the copy command. We'll call it backup. There it is. Okay. Now we're going to use the visual editor and modify it. Okay, this is a pound sign or hash symbol. Means it's commented out and won't be read. So we need to delete the comment, the pound sign. Under here, allow anonymous FTP. I for insert. If it has a pound sign, just delete it. It'll change color there. Uncomment this to allow local user to log in. Local enable equals yes. It might be like that. Delete the pound. Uncomment this to enable any form of FTP write command. We want to allow write access. If it's like that, just hit delete, escape, :WQ, write, quit, enter. Okay. Oops. Let's go back to the root. Those are the files I have. Now I'm going to open up Ubuntu here. Actually, one more thing we got to do on the server is find the IP address using the ifconfig. And I'm on a local area network with using 192.168.1.7. We're going to need to know that. Change directory to wherever you want to download the file or wherever you want to upload the file from, which is on my desktop here. And here the files I'm going to be dealing with is this MP3 from Netsky. I really like that band or that DJ group, and my YouTube thumbnail. And here they are. And the MP3, just so you can see it's working. Can't play it for long, copyright. Okay. First, we're going to download the memo. I already did it in the practice. Let's delete it. Using the get command. I'm going to log into the server. Don't know what that was. Okay, I'm in the server. Um, let's just see what files are there. My directory, my memo. Okay, so to get my memo onto this computer, this virtual machine, get my memo. There it is, just popped up. Open it up, make sure it has the text I put in there, and it does. Okay, great. Now let's transfer this MP3 and this PNG file to the server. We're going to back it up. We're going to do that by using the put command. Put YouTube transfer complete. And same thing for the MP3. Okay, let's go back to the server. There they are. All right, looks like everything's working. Now I'm going to go to the physical machine, open up a elevated command prompt right here. Here's my physical machine here. Remember, we want to change directory to where we're going to download the file. And that's on my desktop. Okay, let's go ahead and FTP 192.168.1.7. Then we use the get command, get first ls, DR, so easier to read. Here are the files that we're going to transfer: my memo, netsky, Rio song, and my YouTube thumbnail. We're just going to use the get command. There is the MP3. Well, it's trying to do it. There it goes. Let's see if it will play. Looks good. And then there's my thumbnail. And the memo. Okay, great. Well, that was installing an FTP server using Ubuntu 16.04, a virtual machine, and also a physical machine. So once again, my name is Dominus Orbis. I hope this video has been informative, and I want to thank you for viewing.